Hey guys, it is the start of week 4, and in this video I am going to explain some of the assignments that you have for this week and how to access them so that you have a better understanding of what I'm expecting from you for this week. So you can see I'm starting off on our Energy Home Learning page. Remember that you can find my information under Math, so I go to Teachers, I go to Math, and I click on my name, and you'll be able to find all of the information for all of our assignments. You see, first you have our office hours. I have office hours on Monday, Wednesday afternoon, and Thursday morning. You also know I'm available via Remind or via email if you're not able to attend those times. And then you guys see that you have some assignments for Algebra 1. Remember, Algebra 1 has to do both of these assignments. So you're going to be creating a video, and then you have some check for understandings, and you have to attend office hours. Notice this week there is no ed puzzle for this week. We are doing the same content that you learned last week, but now we're getting a chance to practice and explain because this is just so important. So you do not have a different, you don't have a new ed puzzle for this week. You also notice that I say everything is in the hub. So I'm going to go to the hub. Remember, you can look under courses for Algebra 1. And when I go to my Algebra 1 course, I see my overview. This video is going to be linked right at the top. And then you see your week 4 assignments. Week 4 assignments, you have a check for understanding, and then you have 2 review checks for understanding. So that's 3 total CFUs where you are reviewing different ways to solve quadratics. We're almost done with solving quadratics, but I want you to review all of our different methods. And then you are going to create a video explaining how to solve a problem using the quadratic formula. Now, you notice that I also give you a link directly to the file. So if you're trying to open the assignment and you're having issues with the file, just use that link and it'll take you right here anyway, and then you can make a copy of it and do the whole assignment. So in this assignment, it is due Friday at 12 noon. You will solve one of the following problems. So they're all roughly the same difficulty, and you will pick one of them to do. You are not even doing all 6. Then you are going to create a video where you're showing someone how to solve the problem. So it's a Khan Academy style video, kind of like those poster projects we did when we did exponent rules. Like when we did our poster project, you have to create a script first. And I help you guys out by giving you the structure of the script, and you're just going to fill in those sentences. So you notice that every video is going to have an introduction and a conclusion. Well, you tell them what they're learning about today. Then you're going to tell them what problem you wanted to solve, walk them through. So first I did this, then I did this, then I did this, and you're telling them every single thing you're doing. And that could be, first I subtracted to move something over, then I identified A, B, and C, then I substituted them in. And then you tell us what your final answer is. Now you have to host this video somewhere, so you can host it. You could do YouTube, you could do TikTok, you could do, or a Flipgrid like we did when we did the poster project. All you have to do is make sure you give me the link if you do it on YouTube or TikTok. That way I can actually see the video. If I can't see the video, you don't get credit for the video. But you can turn it in on any of those different ways. You have to do the script. You have to make sure you solve the problem correctly. And your grading rubric is at the bottom so that you can see what I am going to be grading you on. So as you guys can see, you have a couple of different checks for understanding to do. You have a video assignment. This would be a great week to go back and do any missing Khan Academy or Ed Puzzle videos. Remember, on Khan Academy, you might have to hit that past assignments button so that you can see what you haven't done yet. But this would be a good week to catch up on some of those because you don't have more Khan Academy or Ed Puzzle this week, but we will have it in the future. If you have any questions, you can always reach me via Remind or email or attend one of my office hours and we can talk about any of these things. Thank you guys and good luck this week.